There are two kinds of concrete. Concrete that has cracked and concrete that will crack. Builders have taken that too hard and have put in these extension cracks, these seams that guide the concrete when it cracks actually to crack here in those seams and not anywhere else. It might still happen, however, this is a great start and this is well laid out. And while we're talking about the floor, you will also see that garage floors are not attached to the foundation, so that when these plates, these concrete plates move, they move independently from the foundation and do not cause any damage when they move.